To start off this video, first of all, we have to start with a pattern. And in order to do this, I did the size of the pattern so that it would be the right size for Jeannie to be able to work on. You know, you've got to have a template, which is the right width and the right height in order to build a SideLite. And so went ahead and printed it out on the printer. This is sped up a little bit, and you'll be glad because it takes a little while to print a document like this. Then Jeannie went ahead and drew the pattern.
Okay. So I'm designing this medallion window. It's going to be a SideLite, and I've got 3 main medallions, and one, I'll show you this one. So there's a little sheep here with a meadow and sun. Then we've got a big wave with the sun in the middle, and then we've got a cactus with the sun. And then the client has 5 children, so I wanted 5 of these big ones, so I'm going to move them around a little bit, and then she's got 18 grandchildren. So all these smaller little bubbles are for each one of her grandchildren. So that's what I'm doing today, drawing away. Here it is from the bottom to the top. You can kind of see where I was going with the medallions and stuff. It's a little bit hot in the studio today, but just wanted to show you what I'm working on. This is a SideLite, and I kind of love it because of the meaning behind it. You know how I love windows with meaning. And these center ones, this little sheep and the wave, and that's all I've gotten done so far. But this is going to be a scene of the desert. Those are the places that this family has lived. And all of the medium-sized circles are their children, which they have 5 of. And then the little tiny ones are their 18 grandchildren. So that's what's going on in the studio today.
Finally, we end up with some pictures of the finished SideLite. Couldn't really see the detail in the whole thing all at once, so we gave you a few shots, and then you get to see here the whole thing.